In this session, I will teach you another fine motor skill activity. It's called bird activity. The name of activity is bird activity. So we have to use air bird for this activity. You can see here, I am taking an air bird for this activity. So what are the benefits of this activity for the children? So this is very thin, right? They have to hold in this 2 fingers. They have to hold the bird in these 2 fingers. So definitely they will develop their grip of the fingers. And also when they draw or the paint with this bird, so definitely eye and hand coordination will be developed, and also finger muscle will be developed. So for this activity I am using the bird, and you can see here I am taking 3 birds for 3 colors. So I am taking the green color, then the orange color and the red color for this activity. So if you don't have a color in your house, you have to use food color. If food color also not available, so you have to use kumkum or the turmeric for the color, right? So now I have a food color, so I am using the food color for this activity and the bird. So first we have to draw a picture of flowers, because the small children cannot draw immediately the pictures. So we have to draw the picture on the paper. So I draw the picture of flowers on the paper first. So you have to take a plain paper and draw a big picture. I draw here a flower, right? Now I have to put the bird in this red color, and I started to draw a picture by this bird using this bird. They have to use these 2 fingers. They have to use these 2 fingers. They cannot hold this bird by these 5 fingers, right? They cannot hold this bird by these 5. They have to only these 2 fingers like this, right? And they have to paint this picture, draw this picture, right? So by this activity they will develop their eye and hand coordination. They have to draw several dots of this paint. So they have to make several dots, right? Like that one. So various dots I draw. I draw very fastly, but they are very small. They cannot draw very fastly, right? So definitely eye and hand coordination, they have to sit in one place, and they have to develop their eye and hand coordination. Like that you can see here. I hold this bird in 2 fingers and I paint this, right? So last petal I paint this. You have to draw any picture you can draw, and tell them to paint this picture by this bird. So they hold the pen, this birds, and they have to draw the pictures. Now I am using another for show the leaf, right? You show the leaf. Look at here now. I draw again small dot by dot to paint this. Yes, right? Again I draw a leaves here and I make a small dot. So definitely eye and hand coordination is very important. They have to dip the draw in the color, and they have to paint the picture. They have to dip the birds in the color, and they have to draw it several times. So automatically the gripping of the fingers and their muscles of the fingers will be developed, and also eye and hand coordination will be developed. It's very, very useful activity for the students, right? Now I'm taking here a bunch of birds, right, attached by this band, and I'm taking a bunch of birds. Now another paper, you have to give us the 4 to 5 bunch of these birds. So they have to hold like that. We hold the pencil like that when they hold this bird. You can see here, right? Like the pencil, I hold this bird. So you have to tell the children to hold this bunch of bird like the pencil. By these 3 fingers, right? So this single birds I hold by these 2 fingers, right? Only these 2 fingers I hold and I draw the picture. Now this bunch of birds we have to hold by these 3 fingers. Now I draw another picture like that way only. You have to draw. You have to tell them to draw. Not necessarily you have to draw the picture now. They have to draw anything, whatever their mind. So imagination power also will be developed. So I draw here. Look at here what I draw. Yes. Yes. You can tell me what I draw. What I picture makers. You have to tell them whatever they want, right? The whole this bunch of birds like the pencil and draw the pictures, right? Now I put this bird into the red color and I'm painting this picture. Look at here. Yes. Now another paint I use here, orange also. I take the orange here picture to show the flowers, and this red color I am using to show the apples. Apples in red color, right? Some apples are falling down. So means those picture. You can see here in this first picture I draw a first picture by the pencil or the pen. You have to draw any pictures. You can draw a bird, you can draw a tree, you can draw any animal, and you have to give this picture to your wall to paint by the birds. And by the one single bird, they have to paint first picture by the using 2 fingers. So definitely it will be develop the finger muscles, finger points, and eye and hand coordination. In the second picture, you cannot draw anything. You have to give us the plain paper to your child, and you have to tell them, you have to give us the only bunch of these birds tagged by the band, and give to the bunch of birds to your child, and tell them to draw anything you want. Like you can tell them you have to draw the picture of animal, then the leaves or the flowers or the tree, anything. So you have to give us the plain paper and bunch of this bird. They have to hold this bunch of bird like the pencil by these 3 fingers, and they have to draw whatever they want. Here are very useful things for them, that first their eye or hand coordination will be developed. Second, their finger muscles will be developed. Third, their concentration will be developed. And fourth, their imagination power will be developed. So these are the more important activity for the child. Hope you understand how to do this activity. Please tell to your child to do the activity regularly and please send the picture for us for the feedback. Thank you.